Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as I said in my last Shemodern video, I am going to be recycling this nail polish. So yep, I will just get started. So I'm going to try something in the video to see if it works, so we shall see. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I thought I would slow it down just a little bit. So let's see. Just so we could have a little talk. So let's pick that one up. And I'm going to stamp her on this nail. So that is her there. She's much darker than the rest of the nails. And we will what image? I think maybe some of the roses, maybe. Let's go for some of the roses. We will start from here. So when you've got a long image like this, it's best to sort of like start where, you know, where you can have it starting on the nail, if that makes any sense at all. I know what I mean, but I don't know if anybody else will know what I mean. So let's stamp this down here, like so. And then on their little finger we will stamp, this one. I think this is such a fine line plate. I forgot I actually had this one actually. And the Shemodern stamping polish is working absolutely amazing with it. It's certainly a test, because it is so fine lined. It's unbelievable how many fine lines are in here just on this like one image. It's crazy. So with this one, see about isolating it, maybe. Hopefully I've waited long enough, sort of. So let's stamp it. Yeah, let's just stamp it here like so. What are we going to do with that one? I know what I'm going to do. So let's move that out of the way. Going to use the clear sealer. Wipe most of it off. Put it over the top of this one. Just because I want to try something. So the less you use, the quicker it's going to dry. So let's seal that one, and let's get something out for these before they dry completely. Let's use some, what should we use? Let's use some of this, and let's add some purple to it as well. Hopefully it's not dry. So I want some on the lady, so very gently obviously get some out, and hopefully she's not too dry. I think she might be too dry. I probably waited far too long. Obviously my base colour is like completely dry. So, oh no. It did work still. You'll probably be able to see it better once it's, I don't know if this will still be sticky, but we shall give it a try and see if we can give it that nice sort of not even focused, is it? Sorry. I'm too interested in what I'm doing rather than looking at what's going on the viewfinder. So it's giving it a bit of a sheen. I think I waited far too long. Let's add a little bit of, oh, okay, I said a little bit. Just give me 1 second. I'm sort of dabbing it and rubbing it at the same time. I wonder if I've got enough on my finger. I think I waited too long. Maybe I should have done it at the beginning rather than, I think I waited too long. But that doesn't matter. I think it's still going to be pretty. What did I do with my brush? I do not know. Let's use a different one. Let's try this one. Yeah, it's sort of stuck to my base colour. My base colour is completely dry, but I like it though. It's sort of giving it that really nice sort of shimmery look. very, very nice. So let's see if this, no, that's still very, very tacky. So let me just try and dry this as quick as I can, and I will be right back. I've actually changed my mind. I just hope I haven't waited too long. I knew I was going to change my mind. I should have just done it. So I have applied the sealer, so this may not actually work, but we shall see kind of what happens. So let's get right down into that side. We'll try to anyway. So let's see if it's still stuck anyway. It did. It did still stick. So let's stamp an image. I can't remember what I was going to do on this now. I think I was going to do these. Let's do that. Let's do that teeny tiny one right in the middle. Wipe off my finger first. So let's do this one. I mean, as you can see, this stamping plate is like, oh, these images are so fine. It's unbelievable how fine they really are. Great pick up again. Let's just clean it up a bit, and then we shall stamp it on the nail like so. It's so fine, the camera doesn't even want to focus. So that is what it looks like. So let me just clean up and I shall be right back. Okay, I'm all cleaned up. So I'm going to go in with the clear sealer now. Hopefully it is all dry enough. I hope so. So let's start with this one first. You don't want to apply a thick layer because you want it to dry quite quickly, and because this image is quite big, normally I wouldn't go over the whole nail, but okay, and go over this last one, and then we shall go over the thumb. Again, I'm going to go over the whole nail just because I don't want any of it smearing. So let's have a look at the brush. Okay, there is there's no pigments or anything that have come off onto the brush, so that's really good. I like that. Okay, right, I'm going to put these under a fan just for a couple of minutes just to make them dry a bit quicker, and then I shall come back and we will top coat. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is all dry now. I just put it under my fan, so I'm going to use the Orly today because I found it works quite well with the Shemodern stuff. So we shall see. I'm worried I'm going to knock it over. I need to get one of them lipstick holder things. So yeah, no smearing whatsoever. So let's do it over the lady. only trouble is with these oily brushes, they're just not, I just don't think they're not my favourite brush. They're just so thin, I don't like them. Way too much top coat on that one. So let's top coat the thumb. Wow. So that is what it looks like. So let me just do this up and put this in front of my thumb. So it can dry quicker. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. I know it was a bit here and there. I wish I took a picture before so I could do a before and after, but maybe I can get a still from the video of what it looked like before and after. So yes, this is my first actual try with the Shemodern sticky stamping polish on my own nails. So what did we use today? We used the black sticky stamping polish, we used the stencil, and we used the stamper, and we used 2 pigments. I don't think I actually showed you in the video. So it was purple pearlescent shimmer and dark red as well. So they are the products that we used, and not forgetting we used the pearl white as well. We used quite a lot today, and we also used the sealer as well, didn't we? Where did I put the sealer? I don't know. I'm always putting stuff down. Oh, there it is. And we used the sealer as well. So they are all the products we used today. This is still drying. Let's just have a look at the end result. Obviously it is still a little bit wet, so this is how it turned out. I have to say I really like it. I do really like it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I love this thumbnail. That is really pretty. I really like that. So that is my recycled money. So I will post some pictures at the end. As I said, I will try and get a still photo of it so we can see the before and after. I just completely forgot. So yes, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. And yeah, I have lots of other designs in mind. And I am so happy that it worked with this plate. I've never used this plate, and it is so fine. The detail on it is like ultra fine, and it picked it up absolutely no problems or whatsoever. So that is amazing. So yeah, let me know any thoughts you have down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know if there's anything in particular you want me to do or try in the next one. And yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.